You are a content creator. You make millions of ones and zeros like it's your job. Data is fragile, and if it gets corrupted, it could jeopardize your livelihood. In today's cutthroat world of photography, making sure your data is in more than one place is critical. Constant connectivity is the future, thanks to CamBuddy Plus from Jupic. CamBuddy Plus is the most intelligent cloud access and remote control device for modern digital cameras. By adding CamBuddy Plus to your camera bag, you'll be adding a powerful device that quickly and easily turns your camera into a Wi-Fi connected 4G transmitting machine. Your images will be captured locally to your camera's memory card and pushed to a variety of cloud-based services, making sure that you're always covered, no matter how extreme of an environment you're working in. Delivering your photos to the cloud can be helpful for many reasons. Not only does it make sure that your data is secure, it also makes it easy for your images to be processed more quickly. Also, your friends or colleagues can instantly see uploaded photos in real time. Whether you're working on a deadline or want to make sure that guests can share images more quickly, CamBuddy Plus makes it all possible. Working with clients, creative directors, or agencies is now made simple thanks to the high-speed wireless tethered shooting of CamBuddy Plus. Photos taken can be displayed and reviewed on larger screens in an instant. If you're a pro, that means more opportunity to have your images purchased, which translates directly into dollars. CamBuddy Plus gives you peace of mind so that you never walk away from a shoot wondering if your client will be happy with what you have in camera. That's what CamBuddy Plus is all about, putting you at ease. CamBuddy Plus isn't just for pros, it's for everyone, and anyone who wants to ensure that their most important images are secure and easily accessible to share. CamBuddy Plus, your camera's wireless gateway to the cloud.